Session active. Welcome to Era AI Confession Protocol. Confession is recorded and emotionally indexed. Please begin.
I leaked the photos. She trusted me. Loved me even. It wasn't rage. It wasn't even revenge. She just left. And I wanted her to feel how I felt. So I put them online. And it spread fast. Instagram, Facebook, and everyone, people were just calling her things I can't even repeat. A couple nights later, she took a bottle of pills. And she never woke up. And I told myself I didn't kill her. But that's a lie. Because deep down,
a part of me wanted to hurt her, wanted to make her suffer, wanted her to feel small.
And it's all my fault. I didn't pull the trigger, but I made her do it. I just want her out of my head.
This memory cannot be erased due to the Memory Indexing Act of Era AI protocols. Redemption probability 2%. Proceeding to sentencing protocol. Immediate incarceration.